Are you looking for the next magic ingredient for your skin? Hi, I'm Stevie Lomas, the founder and CEO of the Camel Soap Factory, a UAE skincare brand that celebrates its regional history and roots. I want to tell you about why we use frankincense in our products. Firstly, it's been used for thousands of years in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine as an effective and natural treatment for wrinkling and acne. It was called the sweat of the gods by the Egyptians. Secondly, frankincense oil helps deal with skin imperfections like discoloration and promotes the growth of new cells. And finally, frankincense smells gorgeous. We're proud to use the world's finest Omani frankincense in our award-winning creams and facial soaps. Visit our website below to shop our amazing skincare products and receive a free sample with your next order.